Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your IoT devices with Arlo Security, full guide step by step clearly. To effectively protect your IoT devices with Arlo Security, begin by selecting the right Arlo camera model for your needs. Visit the official Arlo website to review the available models and their features. Once you've chosen a camera, order it and wait for delivery. After receiving your Arlo camera, unpack it and inspect all components for any damage. Download the Arlo app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Install the app on your smartphone or tablet and create a new account if you don't already have one. Log into your account and follow the on-screen instructions to set up your camera. Place the camera in an optimal location with a clear view of the area you wish to monitor. Ensure the camera is within reach of your Wi-Fi network for consistent connectivity. Now, connect the camera to your Wi-Fi network through the app. Enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted to establish a connection. Once connected, configure the camera settings according to your preferences. Set up motion detection alerts to receive notifications when activity is detected. Adjust the camera's recording settings to suit your needs, such as continuous recording or motion-activated recording. Regularly update the camera's firmware via the app to ensure it has the latest security features. Integrate your Arlo camera with compatible IoT devices for enhanced security. Use the app to manage multiple Arlo devices if you have them. Implement strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication for your Arlo account. Consider setting up a separate guest network for your IoT devices to improve security. Regularly review and adjust your privacy settings within the app. Periodically check all your devices for unauthorized access or unusual behavior. Make use of Arlo's cloud storage option for video footage retrieval in case of incidents. Finally, stay informed about new security updates and best practices for IoT device protection. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.